So we're here today at Glaucoma 360 with Dr. Adrienne Graves and Dr. Andrew Iwach. Welcome. Congratulations on what seems like a very great meeting so far. And just wondered if you could kind of provide like a high-level view of what attendees are seeing this year that's different or new, and what you're most excited about.
Well, at New Horizons, we're excited. It's our ninth year, and the glaucoma horizon is still broadening. So we have a number of new technologies that are being presented here for the very first time. And we added up the number of new companies and technologies that have presented here in the 9 years that we've been doing this. Mm-hmm. And it's over 95 companies and about 9 new companies this year, some presenting for the first time publicly. So it's very exciting. And one of the most exciting topics that we're discussing, which is a topic of the Research Collaborative, Catalyst for a Cure, that GRF is sponsoring, is vision restoration. And a number of companies are going to be presenting this afternoon for different technologies that actually have the potential to restore lost vision in glaucoma patients. Incredibly exciting.
And with these new drugs, you have to have a way to deliver them. We just came out of a session where we had a series of companies presenting different methods, different ways of delivering these new molecules on a sustained basis. And that's looking at the patient experience. We want to preserve vision, we want to restore vision, but also at the same time we want to develop answers and solutions that allow the patients to keep their quality of life. And it's a combination that New Horizon brings in all these different stakeholders. One company may come in with a new molecule, another company comes in with a new way to deliver, another company comes in with a new way to measure the disease. And so all of that together will help our patients not only see, restore vision, but also live as much of a productive life as they can. Mm-hmm. And this is New Horizons is just one part of a 4-part event. Glaucoma 360 is all encompassing. Last night we had a gala event, a record fundraising. We had a lot of good interaction with our donors, with some patients, with industry. That led in today to New Horizons. On Saturday we have our symposia. In the morning we have 400 ophthalmologists that will come in to hear what the latest is in treating patients today. And then in the afternoon, we have over 600 now. So about 1,000 professionals will be here tomorrow, Saturday, to learn what we can do today. And today, we're figuring out what tools they'll have tomorrow. Mm-hmm. It's an exciting time.
The gala last night was incredibly fun too. It's a great party, and a lot of the top glaucoma specialists are here, top industry people in the finance community. And it's a great way to kick off Glaucoma 360, because not only is it a ton of fun, but we raised
over $300,000.
Over $300,000 last night alone.
Yeah. And I imagine plans are already underway for next year's meeting.
They sure are, and you can put it on your calendar. It's going to be January 28th, near the end of January in 2021. And also a little tip, if you're going to come, try to come in at a higher donor level. We actually have a VIP event later on here at the Grand Hyatt. There's a nice room on the 36th floor. The event itself, the gala, was fantastic. But for those who really participate in the fundraising, an extra special treat for you. Hopefully you'll join us at any level, but think about those higher levels. It's all fun, but that's extra special.
And then we love the New Horizons meeting, and it's we're slightly biased, but really it's great for anyone who wants to know what's happening in glaucoma. What are the new things? What are some of the innovations that maybe haven't even been publicized much anymore, much yet? Mm-hmm. What are the new things happening? This is the place to be if you want to know what's new in glaucoma.
Basically, if you walk into that room with a new idea, you have pretty much every element you need to take that idea to a solution for patients. We have the smaller companies, the larger companies, venture capitalists. There are some attorneys. We even have people from the FDA there. So every component that you need, and it's a complicated and sometimes expensive process, but they're in the room. And so we're hearing not only about their ideas, where they are in the research, but also where they are in funding, where they need some funding, and they're putting out that message. In fact, we had a competition today. We had 3 small companies present their best presentation to us, and later on today, we're going to find out who was the winner. because all the participants get to vote for who they think should deserve the funding the most.